Today I am documenting a relapse that I'm having. Just to inform you guys, I am a multiple scoliosis warrior, and at this moment I am going through a serious relapse. Just to give you guys a little back story, I haven't had a relapse and like this anyway, and almost like probably really since I started going plant-based. Since I've been plant-based, I have not had a relapse like this. This is the first time in a long time. So with that, I am going to be documenting if it's getting worse or getting better. I'm not sure. As of now, what I'm experiencing in my relapse is my eye. My left eye is inflamed, or my left eye nerve is inflamed. And with that, what's happening is I only see like white spots. For instance, whenever you go to the doctors or whatever it may be, and they put a flashlight in your eye and you see those white spots, and then it goes away. For me, that's what I see, but it does not go away. Like, that's the best way that I can explain it. And then on top of that, I've been having excruciating headaches on this left side. It's like a deep skull pain. Like, it's not just a tension or anything like that. It's like a deep skull type of headache. It's like deep in my skull. And it's so sensitive to the point to where if I'm like squeezing hard, it hurts. My spouse tried to kiss me on my eye, and she said she didn't even put a lot of pressure, and it actually hurted. And it's just real sore. Yeah, as of now I barely can even see. I can see probably what, 50% right now, 40%, 50% on a good day. Like, I can barely see. So the test that we're going to be doing, I'm going to keep doing it. I'm going to keep updating you guys. I'm going to be reading some words that my spouse wrote down on a piece of paper. I'm going to cover up my good eye and see how I do, basically. You can show the camera what the words is. I'll just wait so they can see what the words is, and then I'll read it. Yeah, I can't see absolutely anything. And that's why it's also dark in here as well, because my eye is very sensitive to light. So I've been keeping it dark. I've been keeping my blue light shades on, my blue light blocking shades on. Keeping shades on every time I go outside and stuff like that. So just FYI.
Okay, I'll show them the words already.
Alright, so this is the test. Apple. Oh, I think it's banana. Yeah. I think that's banana. Peach.
Yeah.
That banana is literally in view of all the white spots, because it's a long word. So we're gonna have to, next time when we practice, it's gonna have to be long words, because the short words, I guess it's in like view of my little space that I can see in between the white spots. And so that's how I was able to kind of see the small words. But that long word, I kind of used context clues. That wasn't really because I could see it, to be honest. I guess she's gonna try again, I'm not sure. So I'm also doing this not only to document for me, but also I'm just gonna close my eyes because I can't really see anyway. Also to spread awareness about this silent killer. This is not a joke. This condition is not for the weak. This disease, this is an autoimmune disease, and it's not for the weak. It's not, no joke. If there's any multiple scoliosis warriors out there, please comment down below. Let me know. I'm trying to build a safe space here in a community to where we can just be safe and be free to speak about what's going on and spread more awareness and spread more education on how to heal this, you know, which we know. we know what we need to do to heal this. And this is how I was able to go almost a year without any harsh relapses, is because of what I've been doing. Granted, I feel like the only reason why I'm relapsing right now is because I even though I am vegan, I've been eating dirty. But that's okay, because I'm getting back into my juicing, which I have another video I'm going to be posting of me juicing and stuff. Yeah. See, these longer words, they're going to get me. So, uh-oh. Oh, California. Education. See, the brain is so smart and powerful, even when you can barely see, or if it's not even a word, it's just you change out a letter for a number. Your brain is so smart, it's still going to put it together because of how it looks and figure out what it's saying. So just because I'm reading this is not because I can really see it. I think I'm reading this and I'm able to figure it out. It's because I'm seeing the first letter just a little bit, and then I can, like, I'm kind of putting it together. So I'm still kind of using context clues, but hey, this is better than nothing. All right. So essentials, I think. Okay. Yep. So that's my first test, guys. You guys will be coming along with me, and to keep in mind, I have been having this relapse since. Ooh, let me take this off, because this eye helps me see. Without this eye, I wouldn't be able to see. Anyway.
Can I show them how fast you read all of them?
Oh yeah, apple, banana, peach, California education essentials. So, this is gonna be our note, our little tracker. So this is the 11th, and then yeah, we're just gonna go down from there. So you guys are gonna be along with me this journey. Before I let you guys go, I've been having beginning of this month, I think. Yeah, beginning of this month. So, yeah, I just want to show you guys that. I will see you guys in the next test. All right, thank you.